I'm unboxing by Nano Ledger X, which I purchased actually through Walmart. Alright, let's check it out. Ooh, check that. Cryptocurrency hardware wallet, Nano Ledger, Nano Ledger S. Stuff on the back. Alright, there it is. And then next I'll open this little box here. It's got this kind of plastic wrap around it. Probably pretty helpful here if I could just. There we go. I'm trying to do this with one hand. It's a pretty small box. And then I just open up the box. And it comes with the ledger itself. Some welcome stuff. See, protective stuff. See, comes with the little welcome book, which in here I'm pretty sure it has a little sheet where you write down the seed, your recovery seed. Also comes with a micro, I think a mini micro. Can I zoom in on that so you can see better? Yeah, there we go. It's a USB standard. And then I get a little thing to kind of put on there. Then also like a lanyard. Nice. With the logo. Pretty neat. And one second, I'll open this real quick. Okay, just kind of crack that open, and then did you notice there's no anti-tampering sticker on this box? I did notice that. Getting started. It's actually just like cards. Getting started, you gotta go to Ledger, start.ledger.com to activate it, load it up and stuff. There's your recovery sheet where you'll write the 24 recovery phrase. Guess you get another recovery sheet, another recovery sheet. So yeah, this is really cool. And then the actual ledger itself, pretty neat. I don't know if it has power or anything. Let me just kind of open it up. Pretty neat. Push a button to see does it do anything. Might need to plug it in, but yeah, that's it. And I'm gonna get to playing with it. Ledger Nano S.